Hi everyone, I'm Maria Vittoria from Dreamy Real Estate, and today I'm here to present you this amazing property for sale at 60 million euros, 9 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms. The property has 2 villas for a total of 1,450 square meters and 1 hectare of land. In addition to this, we have the lemon house, the garage and the covered parking spaces, plus the elegant loggia, the wine cellar and the basement. We are in Florence, in the peaceful hill of San Domenico, down to the prestigious area of Fiesole. Just right there, we have Monte Ceceri, where Leonardo da Vinci experienced the first human flight, and after 500 meters, he just landed into the park of the villa. We are in the manor house now. The villa is composed by several floors connected through this majestic and authentic staircase. The villa has been fully restored by the owners, combining the passion for contemporary art pieces with historical and architectural elements. This villa is full of history. It's been built by the end of the 19th century in an eclectic Renaissance style by the Swiss painter and architect Carlo Bocklin. Many great personalities has been here as guests. One that you might know is Hermann Hesse, that was an usual guest of the villa. We are at the second floor of the manor house with 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. This is the master suite with the bedroom, the walk-in closet and the master bathroom. Thank you for following us for this tour and see you at the next property.